Assalamualaikum guys, hope so you guys are doing well. So today I'm back with another video of card. Cards are a nice way to express your feeling for others, so let's get started. I have some pieces of charts over here. This is black chart and this is the pieces of red chart. I have cut them as required and this is off-white computer sheet. I'm using it for heart, for making hearts. So first of all we're gonna cut the card. We're gonna make the measurement of 17 centimeter and 20 centimeter. We're gonna draw the line in between from where we're gonna fold the card. I've folded the card. I've cut this piece in a wave shape and now I'm punching some tags for the card. You may can cut or any sort of shapes or cards for the card. So now we're gonna cut some small hearts for the. We're gonna paste small hearts on this according to their sizes. Now we are folding the paper. We're gonna paste this shape over here, the decor piece part over here, and these triangles over here, and these hearts will be pasted on this according to their size. I have told you. I think 3 sizes are enough. And these tags will be pasted over here. Let's start pasting. So here we are done with it. We were making the card for Happy Friendship Day, so I have written it, and यहाँ हम कोई भी quotes लिख सकते हैं. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. और अगर आपको कुछ भी नया सीखना हो, कुछ भी मुझसे सीखना हो, तो आप मुझे बताइएगा कमेंट सेक्शन में, ठीक है? मैं इंशाल्लाह उसके लिए वीडियो बनाने की कोशिश करूँगी. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.